Hi everyone, welcome to Nefish TV. Here comes roasted cauliflower recipe with a deliciously creamy bechamel sauce. Boil cauliflower florets in salted water until softened. Drain and pass the florets in a greased ovenware. Pour bechamel sauce over the cauliflowers. For the bechamel sauce recipe, you can click the link on the screen. Gently mix the cauliflower with the sauce. Sprinkle generously with grated mozzarella cheese and bake at 180 degrees until golden brown. Cauliflowers are ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!